Hi everyone, this is Huapu, and in this video, I will briefly present the project I did for this course. I have been trying to create a website that archives some of the scholarly works in the field of theological studies. Instead of using a content management system, I tried to do the coding by myself for a better learning experience. So this is basically what the website looks like. And the current page is the home page of the website. And as you can see, there is a navigation tab at the top of the page, and it can direct the users to a different part of the website. If you click on a topic, it will go to the page that has the resources related to the topic. This is basically how the navigation tab works. But for the section of biblical archaeology, I create an interactive map and put it on the page. The function of it is that when you cursor went through different regions of the map, the color of that region will change, so that you know which this is the region you are selecting. And when you click the region, for example, I click this region, it will go to the page that has resources in related to that region. So basically, I just put two of the journal articles for the purpose of demonstration. There should be many of them. And there is a PDF button. When you click it, it can open another window and show the PDF document. So, in the process of creating this website, I learned a little bit more about HTML coding and also the CSS, which involves using different kinds of attributes and tags to control the style of different elements. And I also learned a little bit about the JavaScript and the SVG, which I will introduce a little bit later. So then, I will briefly introduce how I created the interactive map. So first I need to talk a little bit about SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and it is a markup language for describing two-dimensional graphics. It allows for three types of graphic objects, which are shapes, image, and text. In this case, I'm using text to generate different shapes on an image, and then make areas with different shapes on an image clickable. First, I go to GIMP and open the image I want, and then use the select tool to select the area I want, and then I need to save it to path. So then a path is created. Then the next thing to do is to export the path to an SVG document. So put a name there and make it an SVG document, and then save it. Then open the SVG document. As you can see, the code for the path has been generated. So I can just copy and paste this code to my own HTML document, and then fill it with color and put it into a hyperlink element. Then specify the style so that when the cursor hovers on the area, the color changes. So this is what it looks like, and the next thing to do is to create the path for all the areas on the map.
2 hours later.
So after I add all the paths and hyperlinks to my HTML file, I finish with the interactive map. Then I can just click on this area, and it goes to the page related to that region. The last thing I want to say is about the PDF button. I actually add a JavaScript for that button, and the function is that when I click on it, instead of open the PDF file in the same window, it will open it in a new window. Here is how it works. So the above is a brief presentation of my project. It is definitely a great learning experience for me. I learned a lot through it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.